Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this session, we'll discuss about the single and double sidebands. In the introduction to single and double sideband, single sideband modulation is a technique that suppresses one sideband and the carrier reducing bandwidth. It means in single sideband, they suppress the one sideband, in another the carrier and reducing the bandwidth. Also, the double sideband DSB modulation transmits both sidebands and the carrier, resulting in wider bandwidth. In that double sideband, both the sidebands are transmits the modulation and the carrier, resulting in wider bandwidth. Both SSB and DSB are widely used in radio communications for efficient use of bandwidth. Means we see the figure double sideband suppressed carrier, how advantages of single sideband. SSB modulation saves bandwidth by transmitting only one sideband, making it more efficient than DSB. SSB signals are less prone to interference and distortion compared to DSB signals. SSB is commonly used in amateur radio and maritime communication and military applications. It means the SSB signals are less prone to interference and distortion compared to DSB signals. Disadvantages of single sideband. SSB requires more complex demodulation technique compared to DSB. SSB are commonly susceptible to frequency offset errors requiring precise tuning for reception, and SSB transmission and reception equipment can be more expensive than the DSB equipments. Then applications of single sideband means SSB is extensively used in long distance radio communication due to efficiency and reliability, and SSB is preferred in HF, means it means high frequency radio bands, for it's able to propagate over long distances, and also the SSB is commonly used in emergency communication and amateur radio contexts. We see how the LSB upper sideband and lower sideband, in the middle the carrier frequency, in the lower sideband the AM signal, in the below upper sideband it performs the waveforms in the increasing and the decreasing of the signals. Advantages of double sideband means double sideband modulation is simpler than more straightforward compared to the SSB. DSB receives easier to design and less complex than SSB. Receiver DSB can more information due to transmission of both the sides, means in that the first waveform modulating signal and in the middle amplitude modulate wave and the last suppressed carrier wave. Disadvantages of double sideband. DSB requires more bandwidth compared to the SSB, which can limit its use in congested frequency bands. DSB signals are more prone to interference and distortion due to transmission of both sidebands. Means DSB is less efficient in terms of bandwidth utilization compared to SSB. Means double sideband suppressed carrier explained modulating signal. Applications of double sideband. DSB modulation is commonly used in amplitude modulation broadcasting for transmitting audio signal. It means the DSB modulation is used in AM amplitude modulation is similar to transmitting the audio signals, and DSB is utilizing certain radar sonar systems for. It means the double sidebands are used for sonar and radar systems. Its simplicity and cost effectiveness. It's more cost effective, and DSB is also used in some telecommunication systems where bandwidth efficiency is not primary concern. And comparison between single sideband and double sideband. SSB is more bandwidth efficiency, less susceptibility to interface compared to DSB. DSB is simpler to implement, is often used in application where bandwidth efficiency is not critical. The choice between SSB and DSB depends on factors such as requirement, complexity and interface tolerance. Future trends of sideband modulation. Digital signal processing techniques are gaining increasing use to improve the performance of SSB and DSP systems. Software-defined radios are enabling more flexible modulation and including the sidebands election advantages in RF technology are leading to more efficient modulation techniques that combine the benefit of both SSB and DSP. Conclusion: signal and double band modulation techniques plays a crucial role in audio radio communication. The choice between SSB and DSP